As you probably know, that things you buy don't last anymore. Not long time. So my faucet from Costco, bought it 2 years ago, and did exactly that. 2 years and it died. Here's the thing. You go buy a new one from Costco again, replace it, take out the old one, put it back into the box. And this way, you keep this running forever. And the old box that you put the old one back in, with the receipt that you stored, you pack it up, return it back to Costco, and get your money back. This way, you don't have to pay for it every freaking 2-3 years for new stuff for, I don't know, $300 or more. And I'm sorry I had to go through this, but this is my little life hack that you have to do this. Otherwise, you're going to keep paying $200-300 every single year for each faucet you own. Do this. Thank you.